Ladies and gentlemen, if you're using Wix, here's a quick way to make your website SEO friendly. Check this out. Let me show you this, Abby. I'm going to try to go slow here. So here are your pages. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, meaning I have 6 tabs within my website.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go to
Right.
manage pages. At the very, very bottom, it says manage pages. Right here, 360 photo booth, this is my first page. You see these 3 dots right here? I'm going to click on this. And then I want you to get
Mm-hmm.
familiar where it says SEO basics. That's search engine optimization. That's where we're going to put our keywords.
Okay.
Okay. So it says get found on Google. So here at the bottom, Abby, I put 360 photo booth rental San Bernardino like this, California. So if someone types in 360 photo booth rental and they happen to do it here in the city, it'll take them to my website. So if I grab this, or I type in, or I go to like a new tab. So it acknowledges my website, and my website is ranking now. It's at the very, very top.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're gonna have you're gonna have several pages, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna have maybe more, maybe less. What I'm trying to show you
Right.
is within all your pages. I don't know how many pages you have right now, Abby. But even if you go to like pricing and booking, and now I'm gonna hit these 3 dots again, and I'm gonna go to SEO basics. On this one, for my keywords, I use 360 photo booth rental Los Angeles. And I use Los
Okay.
Angeles this time because I also want to rank for Los Angeles, and Los Angeles is like an hour and 20 minutes from here. And
Mm-hmm.
I also want my website to come up for people that are looking for a photo booth in this area that's very, very competitive. So for you, you
Mm-hmm.
would just fill this information out, but put your information 360 photo booth rental, Maryland, Atlanta. And then with time, if you get the Cold Sparks, you could put wedding Cold Sparks rentals in here, so that when people are looking for
Okay.
that, your website will start getting hits. So if I go to gallery, this is the third page. I'm gonna go to SEO basics. Now I change it to 360 photo booth rental Riverside. So every page has a very important long tail keyword. So 360 photo booth rental Riverside is a different city, Abby, but I also want to be popular in other cities, not just my city.
Right. Right.
All right, so so when you go to support and it takes you to this
Mm-hmm.
right here, you want to type in either customer care or tech support. I'm gonna put in customer care. Then we'll go here, and then you're gonna get this right here. And you want to go, let us direct you to the right expert, and you go to get started. You're going to be using this a lot, Abby, because
Okay.
you're doing this on your own, and that's great. I'm glad that you're doing it on your own because you have more power over your website, and you can do it at 3 in the morning. You can do it at
Right.
7 in the evening, because this is you doing your thing. That you're creating your website. You're not leaving it to the hands of somebody else, which is great, because you'll be able to build more websites in the future, and you can also build websites for people that you know, and you can charge them for this because you're gaining a lot of
Mm-hmm.
experience. So when you go to contact us,
Right.
you're gonna go to domains, and this area right here, you're gonna just put, for example, troubleshoot or reactivate, anything to do with your domain, right? And then what's gonna happen is this. Say for example, go to reactivate domain. It's gonna try to give me a solution right here in the chat box. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that I want to speak to I want someone to call me. So it says I'll connect you with customer care expert in order to assist you, right? So you select your website. I'm selecting my 360 booth website. And then it says we'll confirm an issue description, get your phone number, and you'll receive a call in about 3 minutes. So for example, once we get off here and you have time to work on Wix, you can actually request a call by hitting the request call, putting in your phone number. Before you put your phone number, you're gonna put pending domain, like that. Super simple, and then hit send. and then it'll ask you request a callback.
Are they gonna call you?
No, I'm gonna call you. What's your number? 286. No, I would put my phone number right here, and then done, and in 3 minutes they'll call me.
Okay.
And, hey, this is blah 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 from Wix support. How can I help you? They're gonna want you to give them your email that you use to set up your Wix account. You're gonna give them that information, and then let them know, hey, I'm setting up my web page. In the future, I want to do bookings online, and I want to also collect payments online. So once you have on the line, Abby, make sure, just like with me, you have a notebook with all your questions. That way, when you get one representative, you get a lot out of the conversation. Instead of calling them back every single day for a new question, try to gather questions and try to get them all answered. And then they'll know who Abby is by the end of the month. They'll be like, oh, it's Abby again. Abby. Yeah.
That's her again.